How many times have your brain felt so sluggish that you can't even think clearly? How many times have you felt so tired that even climbing a single flight of stairs takes a lot from you? Or how about those times when you felt so unpretty that even your best outfit can't lift your mood? You've tried every known trick to stay fit and scoured every shelf in the health and beauty aisle for that wonder product that could revive you, but still to no avail. Why not try looking at home and the produce section of your grocery? What am I talking about? I'm talking about detox. Detoxification is not merely sweating buckets on the gym or starving yourself with a water diet. It is a holistic approach to health and beauty. It encompasses everything from diet, fitness, and your sense of well-being. Try it for a weekend and start the new week with a renewed and more revived you. Detoxifying your way to health and beauty is possible with a few things which you could conveniently find in your home. With a loofah or brush, scented candles, aromatic oils, herbal tea, and a free, me-time weekend, you're all set to rejuvenate and renew yourself. Start on a Friday by eating light, think salads and fruits, and drink lots of water the whole day. At night, slowly dry massage yourself with a loofah or brush with slow and long strokes. Move in one direction, upward and towards your groin. Refresh yourself with tea or water, then soak in a bath of warm water and drops of aromatic bath oil. Light some scented candles while gradually adding cool water within a half hour until your bath becomes slightly cold. This is the beginning of your new health and beauty routine. This process is done for the stimulation of the blood vessels. Dry yourself and dress warmly for bed. Begin the next day by drinking hot lemon water. Go for a walk while breathing deeply. Give yourself a steam bath or go swimming. You could also ask your partner or therapist for a massage. Again, end your health and beauty detox regimen with a dry massage brush and bath. Spend your Sunday doing the whole process, but add another activity. Make a list of people or things, such as your work, that are toxic to you. Read bad vibes. Assess how you should deal with them to lessen their toxic effect. After this, pamper yourself or do meditation exercises. Be reminded though that you may experience excessive sweating, slight headaches, and skin rashes. These are signs that your body is releasing toxins and that they are temporary. Detoxifying is effective, safe, and inexpensive enough to be part of your weekly health and beauty routine. Just remember to avoid this during your period, pregnancy, and sickness. Lastly, talk to your doctor if you encounter any problem while detoxifying.